Assalamu alaikum respected doctors. Welcome to my YouTube channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today is the video number 324 on my YouTube channel. Means 323 same videos are present. Now today our topic is fatty acid, which is actually the type of derived lipid definition and types and classification we already studied in the first video. If you want to watch the first video, then come to this second video. Now in today topic fatty acid, which is very important regarding to MCQs as well as SCQs. Now topic outline is number 1 definition, number 2 representation, number 3 nature, we will study the nature of fatty acid, and number 4 types and the different bases, and number 5 essential fatty acid, we will study about essential fatty acid, and number 6 is the function of essential fatty acids. Now come to the first definition of fatty acid. Fatty acid are the derived lipids in which carboxylic acid with hydrocarbon chain, with hydrocarbon side chain, the main structure is carboxylic acid, with carboxylic acid hydrocarbon chain is attached. This is the definition. Now come to the representation. How we represent by chemical formula? We represent the fatty acid by chemical formula RCOOH. R mean a side chain, COOH mean carboxylic acid. Now come to the third nature of fatty acid. Now fatty acid are amphipathic in nature. Amphipathic mean it contain both hydrophobic and hydrophilic fats. Hydrophilic mean water loving and hydrophobic mean water hate. Now come to the carboxylic group which form head is hydrophilic, and the hydrocarbon chain which form fatty acid tail is hydrophobic. Now come to the fourth topic outline, types. Now we make the types of fatty acid on the different bases. Number 1, on the basis of even and odd number of carbon atom. Now the fatty acid which even number of carbon atom are present, for example phospholipidic acid which contains 16 carbon. Now the fatty acid with odd number of carbon atom is the example is valeric acid which contain 5 carbon atoms. Number 2, we make the type on the basis of length of hydrocarbon chain. Now on the basis of length of hydrocarbon chain, we divide fatty acid into 4 types. Number 1, short chain fatty acid which contain less than 6 carbons. Number 2, medium chain fatty acid which contain carbon atom from 8 to 14 carbons. Third is the long chain fatty acid which contain carbon from 16 to 24 carbons. The fourth is very long chain fatty acid which contain more than 24 carbon atoms. Third types, we make the types on the basis of double bond. Either fatty acid have double bond or not. Now first is saturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid do not have double bond, and number 2 is unsaturated fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty acid it contain one or more double bonds. If unsaturated fatty acid contain one double bond, it is known as monounsaturated fatty acid, and the short form is MUFA. Second is, if more than one double bond, this is known as polyunsaturated fatty acid. The short abbreviation is PUPA. This is important in exam. Always they ask what is PUPA, what is MUPA. Now come to the representation of double bond. In fatty acid, how we represent the double bond. The position of double bond in fatty acid is represented by a symbol delta followed by superscript number. Mean delta show the position of double bond and in which carbon the double bond is present. This is the superscript number, mean we mention the number above. Like there in linoleic acid 18 mean 18 carbon is equal to 2 mean 2 double bond, delta show double bond, and 9 and 12 above delta show the double bond is present in carbon number 9 and 12. Now come to the types of fatty acid on the basis of geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism means on the basis of shape. Isomers mean two substances having same formula but different structure. On the basis of geometrical isomerism, we divide fatty acid into cis fatty acid, trans fatty acid. Cis fatty acid mean those carbon atom in which between double bond is present. With this carbon atom, if hydrogen present on the same side, this is known as cis. If present on opposite side, this is known as trans. Like here above, in trans hydrogen yellow present on opposite side, in cis present on the same side of carbon in which the double bond is present. Now the next types we make on the basis of position of first double bond, where the first double bond is present. On the basis of this first double bond, we divide into two, omega 6 fatty acid and omega 3. In omega 6 fatty acid, the first double bond present at carbon number 6. Now omega 6 fatty acid, it is present in vegetable oils. Now come to the second, omega 3 fatty acid. Now in omega 3 fatty acid, first double bond present at carbon number 3. Now omega 3 fatty acid, it is present in fish oils. And omega 3 fatty acid, it help in development of brain, it help in brain development. Now after types, now we will study the essential fatty acids. What is essential fatty acids? Those fatty acids which are not synthesized by our body and they should be supplied in the diet is called essential fatty acids. Now these are actually pupa, polyunsaturated fatty acid, and now the essential fatty acid are 3 in number. Number 1 is, for example, arachidonic acid. Number 2 is linolenic acid, and number 3 is linoleic acid. These are 3 essential fatty acids. Now come to the final part, the function of essential fatty acids. There are 4 functions of essential fatty acid. Number 1, it help in development and function of brain and nervous system. Number 2, it require for synthesis of eicosanoids, mean prostaglandin, etc. The third is it help in formation of biomembrane like cell membrane. Number 4, essential fatty acid is required for synthesis of phospholipids, cholesterol and lipoprotein. Now today our fatty acid topic is complete. Now we bring the Telegram and WhatsApp channel for study. Now we have 3 channels on Telegram, 2 channels for BDS student, from first to final year BDS student, where we send lecture, books, notes. Now there are 2 channels for BDS, first to final BDS lecture, and 1 channel for first to final MBBS lecture. undergraduate and postgraduate, both students can join. We share their books, notes, etc. Now come to the WhatsApp group. Still we have only two group our WhatsApp. First BDS group are girls and first BDS group are boys, first year student. Here we send books, notes, and everyone is allowed to request a book, to send a book, and also there we share our YouTube videos. Now all the channel and WhatsApp group links are present in this video description. Go and join the channel. Now come to the now our topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends, and also comment below video is this video is helpful for you people. Now if you new to my channel, subscribe my channel and also press bell icon to open the all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.